Hi everyone, I'm Annika and this is J.A.R.V.I.S. Just a rather very intelligent system, not the same as the movie one. It's an AI powered voice assistant I built in Python as part of my OASIS internship project. You can talk to it, it talks back, and it actually does things, searches the web, plays your music, answer questions, does maths, checks the weather, all hands free. Now, let me actually walk you through the code first, then I'll show it live to you. But before that, here are the things it can do. The six core modules, all voice driven. So actually now let's go to the code. So here's the code to it. Um, this is the open J.A.R.V.I.S. This is version 2 of it. I made some new changes. And the first is the config. So this right here is the config block at the top. This is where you set your music folder path and optionally drop a Gemini or OpenAI API key for smarter AI answers. Everything else works without a key. Then we have the TTS class here. This is the voice output engine. Instead of using PyTTSX3 with directly, which crashes when called from background threads, I'm calling Windows SAPI directly through PowerShell. So here it is. It spawns a separate process so it never blocks the UI. Every time Java speaks, this is what fires. So next we have the voice loop, which is right here. This is the continuous listening loop, by the way. It runs on a background thread and always it waits for the speech. When Jarvis is talking, it pauses automatically so it doesn't hear itself. The recognized text goes in to a queue which the UI polls every 100 milliseconds. And this here is the brain of or the logic behind how it speaks. This is the brain, the command router. It checks your input against patterns using regex. So here are they. And the time, date, search, music, maths, weather, Wikipedia, all are in here. So this is the brain, right? And you see all the website links, all the catchwords, the phrases right in here. And if nothing matches, it falls back to Gemini or OpenAPI. If you have set a key. So in my case, I've set both of them. Here you can just get the catchphrases, and otherwise this is the fallback to it. And I also have a calculation method for computing maths problems. So here are the catchphrases, calculate, compute, and all. And the maths engine converts spoken words into symbols first. So if you say multiplied by or times, it is just converting it all to this one multiplication symbol right here. Times becomes, as I said, multiply, divide by becomes slash, then safely executes the expression. It's sandbox, so no arbitrary code can run. Okay. And finally, I have a GUI over here. These are just for the temperature to check weather. This takes you to the Wikipedia. It's getting the free API. And here's the GUI. So I have put one draw halo here. I'll just show you real quick. Yep, so it's right here. It's basically sort of that wave function like glow around the AI when it talks, so just to give it an aesthetic look. And this is a visualizer all here. The four sine wave rings it makes, and it's drawn on Tinker canvas, by the way, and each with different frequencies. The amplitude scales up when Jarvis is speaking or listening, so the rings react to the voice in real time. All right, so let's actually go live and see how it works.
Online, boss. What do you need?
Hey Jarvis.
Good afternoon, boss.
So it greets basically based on the time of the day. What's the time?
It's 12:30 p.m.
So again, simple, real time. What is quantum computing?
It's 12:30 p.m. Here is what I found about quantum computing. A quantum computer is a real or theoretical computer that exploits quantum phenomena like superposition and entanglement in an essential way. It is widely believed that a quantum computer could perform some calculations exponentially faster than any classical.
So it speaks a short summary and writes the full article extract to display in this Intel display panel on the left. Calculate
Couldn't he
243
find in this Intel display panel on in your music folder? Playing something random instead. The answer is 243.
Calculate 243 times 17.
Couldn't he evaluate 243 asterisk? Try, calculate 10 times 5 plus 3.
Calculate 243 times 17.
The answer is 4131.
So spoken word math, no typing needed.
Here is what I found. Candidates.
Search for latest AI news.
Searching for latest RN news.
Play music.
Playing phenomenon. Couldn't he find next in your music folder? Playing something random instead.
Next sound.
Playing phenomenon.
Next sound. Next sound.
Playing dopamine his underscore remix.
Stop music. Stop music.
Music stopped.
What's the weather in Lucknow?
In Lucknow, it's haze, 40 degrees.
So the live weather comes from the WTTR.in. No API key again needed.
Couldn't he fetch weather?
Note that I have a project deadline on Friday.
Noted, boss.
Tell me a joke. Tell me a joke.
I tried recursion once. I tried recursion once. I tried recursion once.
So yeah, that's Jarvis, a fully voice-driven assistant with a custom cyberpunk UI as you saw, sound reactive, Halo visualizer, continuous listening, and real automation built in Python. All the source code is in my internship submission, and I really thank you for watching. Thank you.